Prices on the shore are up 9.87% year to date. It's Friday, December 16th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Prices dipped 4% from October, but inventory remains down. In fact, inventory is down 32.9% from last year. So despite slowing buyer activity and fewer contracts, the market is not a buyer's market yet. Caroline County rose 4.8% to $330,000 year to date. Cecil County is up 7% year to date at $305,000. Dorchester County is up 6.3% to $254,495,000. Kent County prices grew 20.2% year to date at $312,500. Queen Anne's County rose 9.7% year to date at $449,900. Talbot County's prices rose 3.1% year to date to $420,000. Somerset County rose 9.4% year to date to $191,500. Wicomico County is up 14.9% to $246,990. Worcester County prices rose 13.4% year to date at $385,000. On the shore, inventory fell again to 1,238 homes for sale. 99 homes came on the market over the past week. 36 homes are coming soon. 47 went under contract. 59 properties went to pending, and 105 properties sold in 19 days at 97.1% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was in Queenstown for $3,875,000. There are 77 rentals listed at a median $1,850 per month, and these have been on the market 37 days. Got questions? Let me help. I can provide you with the facts, data, and information to help bring context to it for your situation. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, December 16th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.